Apple's foldable iPad delay, a game changer for investors. For those closely monitoring Apple, AAPL, a company known for its innovation in consumer electronics, you're probably aware that Apple has been venturing into foldable devices for a while. While some of these products are progressing smoothly, others are facing delays. This delay, particularly concerning Apple's foldable iPad, has surprisingly positive implications for investors, evident from the 2% rise in Apple's shares during the closing minutes of Wednesday's trading. Grab your TipRanks half-year sale. Don't miss out on TipRanks Premium, now at a whopping 50% off. Get access to top investing tools, advanced market data, and expert insights designed to boost your investment confidence. Make smarter investment decisions with TipRanks Smart Investor Picks, sent straight to your inbox every week. But here's where it gets complex. Although Apple's foldable iPhone is planned for a 2026 launch and is expected to proceed without significant delays, the story differs for the iPad Fold. Development has been paused due to a combination of production challenges and rising costs, primarily associated with its innovative foldable display. And this is the part most people miss. Interest in larger foldable devices, like the iPad Fold, seems to be faltering. The higher-than-anticipated manufacturing expenses, combined with limited consumer enthusiasm for larger foldable gadgets, question the future of the iPad Fold project. It might even be shelved indefinitely. Perfect timing for Apple TV 4K. On a more optimistic note, Apple TV 4K may hit the market at just the right time. Apple's TV venture has grown over the years, and while the earliest models weren't the most compelling buys, the upcoming release could propel the Apple TV into the mainstream. Priced attractively at $129, the new Apple TV 4K enters a competitive market landscape, where most smart TVs are also streaming hubs. However, two standout advantages could give Apple an edge: the rising popularity of Apple TV Plus and the growing discontent among viewers with excessive advertising. As more people seek an ad-free, streamlined viewing experience, Apple could provide just the solution they need. Apple stock: buy, hold, or sell. Wall Street analysts currently have a moderate buy rating on Apple stock, AAPL, supported by 15 buys, 10 hold ratings, and 3 sell recommendations over the past few months. Despite a 6.2% decline in its share price over the last year, analysts' average target of $224.22 per share suggests a 5.49% upside potential. What are your thoughts on Apple's shifting strategies? Do you agree with the analyst outlook, or do you see things differently? Share your thoughts and join the discussion in the comments below.